Hello children, as you all know, we have finished lesson 5, operating a computer. Right? Reading work we have finished. Today we are going to do writing work. We are going to start brain developer exercise. So A, fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. Fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. So hints are given downside of the fill in the blanks. First one, first sentence, to start a computer we need to first switch on the dash supply button. So I taught you to start a computer you have to follow these steps. First you have to click on main power supply, switch on the main power supply button, then switch on the UPS button. If electricity goes off, then UPS makes the computer work. Third, switch on the CPU button, our supply button of the CPU, then switch on the supply button of monitor, switch on the monitor button. Okay, so there are 4 steps to start a computer. So first, to start a computer we need to first switch on the first step is main power supply button. So we will write power. First, P-O-W-E-R, power. Switch on the main power supply button. To start a computer, we need to first switch on the power supply button. P-O-W-E-R, power. Next, if the electricity goes off, the dash makes the computer work. So, we all know if electricity goes off, then UPS makes the computer work. Second is UPS. UPS. Okay? UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply. It means when electricity goes off, then UPS makes the computer work. Is it clear? Okay. Third, to turn off the computer, click on the dash button, then shut down option. So to turn off the computer, to shut down the computer, I taught you first you have to click on the start button, then you have to choose shut down option. First you have to click on the start button, then shut down option. So here you have to fill start. S-T-A-R-T. Start button. Okay. Next, fourth, Windows is the most popular computer dash. Windows is the most popular computer program. Windows is a program. Windows is the most popular computer program. P-R-O-G-R-A-M, program. Windows is the most popular computer program. Next, dash is the first display screen when we switch on a monitor. So which is the first display screen when we switch on the monitor? I taught you desktop. Desktop is the first display screen. Desktop is the first display screen when we switch on the computer. Okay? When we switch on the computer, then we will find the welcome screen, that is called desktop. So desktop is the first display screen when we switch on the computer. Clear? Fill in the blanks. Completed. Now we will move towards B. B, write T, true or F, false. So we have to write true or false. The first screen of Windows is called the desktop. Right now we had none. So it is true. The first screen is called desktop. True. Next, icons are the background display of the desktop. No, icons, desktop holds many small pictures, is known as the icons. It is not the background display. the background display of the desktop. Third, title bar is located at the top of the desktop. True or false? This statement is false because title bar is located at the top of the window, not at the top of the desktop. Clear? Title bar is located at the top of the window. When we open any window, then it is located at the top of the window, not on the desktop. Okay? So it is false. False. This statement is false. Fourth, the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. Yes, you all know. Do you know answer? Yes, it is false. The first step to start a computer is to switch on the main power supply button. Switch on the main power supply button. But here it is given the first step to start a computer is to switch on the monitor button. So it is false. Okay? So true, false, false, false. Next, match the following. See, match the following. Here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B, C, D, E. I am not writing here sentence, words I am not writing. You have to do it. Okay. So first one, icons. Icons are small pictures on desktop. So second is correct. Icons are small picture on desktop. Next, desktop. We all know desktop is the first display screen. So last, E. Match it with last. Windows is the most popular program. Windows is the most popular computer program. So fourth is correct. D. Minimize. So we all learn there are 3 control buttons: minimize button, maximize or restore down button, and close button. And here minimize control button is given. So we will match it with control button. Third, C. Okay. And last one, title bar. Title bar is the topmost view bar of an application. Title bar is the topmost view bar of an application. Okay? Done? Have you all done in your book? Okay. So fill in the blanks. True, false. Match the following. Is completed. Next is tick the right answer. Dash makes a computer work when electricity goes off. So there are 3 options. We have to choose any correct option. In one correct option we have to choose. So what makes a computer work when electricity goes off? Do you know? Yes. UPS. A option is correct. A option is correct. UPS makes a computer work when electricity goes off. Second, dash button on the title bar makes the word window smaller in size. There are 3 options. A. Restore down. B. Close. C. Minimize. Which option is correct? Restore down button on the title bar makes the word window smaller in size. Smaller in size. So A. Restore down. Restore down. Close is wrong option, incorrect. Minimize is also incorrect option because when we click on close button, then window is closed, and when we click on minimize button, then it hides from the screen and it will shows on taskbar. Third, to open the Word program, click on the Start All Programs, then Microsoft Office. Which option? Microsoft Office. A option is correct. Microsoft Office. Accessories is not correct because when we open Paint, then we click on Start, All Programs, Accessories, then Paint, and on Notepad, non-Notepad, it is incorrect because when we want to open Word program, so first we have to click on Start button, All Programs, then Microsoft Office. After that, Microsoft Office Word. Is it clear? Fourth, when a window is active, the title bar turns. So when a window is active, the title bar turns into blue color, and when window is not active, then title bar turns grey color. Okay? So fourth, A option is correct. Blue. When window is active, then title bar turns into blue color. When window is active, then title bar turns blue, and when window is not active, then title bar turns grey. It means when window is active, it indicates blue color. Clear? Next, answer the following. First question is answer the following. First question, what is Windows? So Windows is the most popular computer program. What is Windows? Windows is the most popular computer program. All of you write in your computer book. Windows is the most popular computer program. Second, what does the blue title bar indicate? So we all know the blue title bar indicates that window is active. The blue title bar indicates that window is active. Third, which button do we click first to shut down a computer? We click first Start button to shut down a computer. We click first Start button. Which button? Start button to shut down a computer. Fourth, what does a grey title bar indicates? A grey title bar indicates that window is not active. A grey title bar indicates that window is not active, and the blue title bar indicates that window is active. Clear? Okay. Next, what are icons? So what are icons? The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. Fifth answer, the desktop holds small pictures known as icons. Answer is the desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. So dear students, today you have to complete lesson 5, operating a computer. Today you have to do part A, B, C, D and E of lesson 5 in your computer notebook as well as in computer book. Okay? Thank you.